Narration is telling a story. It is a story about experience. It can be imaginary or real. It can be a story of somebody's life. Hello, hi, let's start. In this video and audio, I will be speaking about the easiest and the simplest way to write narrative essay. What is narrative essay? Narrative essay is story writing. So one might think it as telling a story. Writing narrative essays involve telling a story to exhibit a certain unique insight. Narrative essays enable writers to express themselves creatively and share their experiences with other people. A narrative story is just like a story told for a particular reason. The primary focus of each narrative essay is a plot that is created with the use of enough information to make a conclusion. When and where the event took place, what happened, and its significance is narrative writing. Narrative writing consists of non-fiction works that follow a certain logical chronology. They are organized in time. Narrative writing is all about sharing stories. That's a key purpose. Here, the writer's task is to tell about a real-life experience and at the same time to make a clear point of why you are telling that particular story and why it matters. Plan and think about the essay topic. Think about the character and events involved. What makes narrative essay different from other types of essays? In a narrative essay, all you do is guide readers through the story. You don't make arguments or criticize or attempts to persuade them. You are just telling a story, letting readers draw their own conclusions. This is the most distinctive feature of such narrative writing. A narrative writing is a way of testing your ability to tell a story in a clear and interesting way. The writer is expected to think about the story's beginning and ending and how to convey it with eye-catching language and a satisfying pace. Choose a story that is about the essay topic you have been assigned or you have chosen. In narrative essay, the use of first-person I is encouraged so that the readers get a feeling of being part of the story. Sometimes he, she and they are used, but mostly when writing, I, my story is used. Narrative essay narrates characters, incidents, settings, events and dialogues, but don't use many. Narrative writing also includes poetry and anecdotes. It uses plot, character, setting, descriptions. Use a flow map. Narrative essays follows the following steps: introduction, climax and conclusion. Introduction introduces the people, describes the people involved, place and time of story. Create interest in the readers through the starter line. Climax can have many paragraphs that describes more actions. Conclusion or ending, solve the problem according to the story or end it with a twist. Give the readers the central message of the story. Now I will be telling things to remember. As I said, use first person I. Always use past tense. Describe events chronologically. Less dialogues. Use descriptive language or more of adjectives and adverbs. To conclude, always read, revise your essay by checking the grammar, spellings and sentence structure. Be consistent. Thank you. This is Padma. Have a great day. See you again.